Hey everyone, I'm gonna be doing a back to school haul. I got these things on like 4 different trips, because I'm not like a big buyer at one time. I always buy like a couple things and I just add up. So all my new back to school clothes, I have untagged them, like taken off the tags, and I washed them, so it's gonna be ready to wear next week when I start school on August 21st. I'm starting my first year at Loxa. It's gonna be cool. Okay, so the first thing I got was, give me a sec. I've actually worn this a couple times. It's this, I don't know if you can see, the lighting is pretty bad. Let me see if I can check this out. Oh, much better. Okay. I got these black shorts with these little fringes at the bottom. This was like $2, no, $5 at Cotton On. Super comfortable. I got another pair. They were like ripped, but they were like 15. But still, made great price. Next I got. It's gonna be kind of out of order. I got this tank top. It's striped. I'm a sucker for stripes. Everybody that knows me knows that. Striped, pretty plain. This thing was like $9 at Forever 21. Cool. I love stripes. And I got this. Oh, this is kind of wrinkly, but it's just stuff. It's like a really loose top. I would totally wear at the beach because it's like really hung down at the back, and I got it at Zara. It's gonna be great when I wear it. I would wear it like at the beach though, so I don't know if this will do at school, but it's something fun to wear. I got another one of these shorts. They're white. I don't really remember where I got it. I think maybe at Cotton On, just a different store. It's really comfortable. I love shorts. I mean, before I never used to be a big fan of shorts, which is kind of weird, most people think, but I'm a big shorts fan this year. I got this really cute shirt, actually at Marshall's. I didn't think I would get anything like, well, it's a pretty cool store. I mean, it's stuff for cheap. I got this really cool shirt, and it got these peekaboo shoulders. This is the shoulder right here, and it's so comfy. I don't have to wear anything inside it. It's blue. I love the color blue. It's just loose and it's perfect for the summer. I wear this like so much now. It's just so comfortable. Next I got this little, what are these called? Like the button ups without the sleeveless button ups. Okay. I got one in yellow at Forever 21, so it's pretty long. I usually tuck it in. And I got another one at H&M. It's yet again my favorite color. Right. I know it's really bad. I have a really bad time. I'm gonna get one. But button up, I got it at H&M. These things, I didn't tell you the price. Bad. For me, I'm gonna start from the blue really loose shirt. I think it was like $11, and then this yellow button up was like 19 or something like that, and then this was like 12, I think. And I got this really cute tank top at Forever 21. I actually saw someone wear it, and I was like, wow, I'm gonna look good. It's at Forever 21. It's like this. It reminds me of like a Bollywood thing because it's like really it's really detailed. This thing was $20. They have like little beads. I just have to be really careful with the beads because I don't want them to fall off. It's like a really nice color, and I could wear it like this, or since usually schools have a policy, I would wear it with the cardigan. Last thing, oh no, not the last thing, second to last thing I got. I'm too fast. Like, usually people they take longer. But anyways, I got this really like, this is like an overlap top, I guess. I mean, it's a dress, and it has like little pockets right here. It's blue, navy blue. It looks way darker on camera. Weird. It's a really nice. It was all really nice. I got it for an exchange. I just don't know how much it was. Last thing I got is, oh my god, my favorite, absolute favorite. I got this, it's like this wet looking, leather looking, skirt from Forever 21. I just love wearing the Bollywood tank top. It's just so awesome. A couple other things I got a lock, fun lock, I don't know why. And this is awkward putting this in a clothes haul, but I got a couple nail polish. I got this from Forever 21. It's Love and Beauty. I'm wearing it right now. Let me see. I put my stuff away. I think. Let me see. Okay. Got this one too, Love and Beauty. It's super sparkly. I usually put it on top of the other one. So these two go great together. I also got this. I don't want you guys to like. Okay. I forgot this color. It looks way lighter on camera. Wow. It's like a really shocking pink. It looks light. So. Anyways, this is my clothing haul. I don't buy that much stuff. So this is it. I don't know, I'm probably bad at this, but tell me what you think and comment below and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.